Welcome to the UpBeet Gardener. I'm Marion Owen. Franklin Delano Roosevelt once said, "The nation that destroys its soil destroys itself." Yet around the world, soil is being swept and washed away 10 to 40 times faster than it's being replenished, destroying cropland the size of Indiana every year, reports a new Cornell University study. Yet the need for food and other agricultural products continues to soar. Dave Pimentel, professor of ecology at Cornell, feels that soil erosion is second only to population growth as the biggest environmental problem the world faces. It's a problem that tends to be ignored because who gets excited about dirt? People should be concerned, he says, because erosion is a slow and insidious process. Yet controlling soil erosion is really quite simple, both for the large-scale commercial farmer and the home gardener. One way to protect soil is to plant cover crops when the land is not being used to grow crops. Another way to stop soil erosion is to reduce the need for people in developing countries to clear forests for agriculture, overgraze their cattle, and remove crop residues for cooking fuel. Finally, and perhaps the easiest solutions to implement, stop using chemical fertilizers and herbicides, and add compost and mulch to your soil to improve its ability to store water and nutrients, which enables it to maintain a healthy environment for bacteria and worms, the unsung heroes, the ones that do most of the work. For the UpBeet Gardener, I'm Marion Owen.